Hey, tough guy.
This shit smell like something insane. That's all I got. Need to zoom in on that. That's all I'm gonna do. We ain't got no milk, because we don't drink milk. We got some bread.
And some frozen yogurt.
We got frozen yogurt. But yeah, if you eat hot shit, man, you're supposed to have some bread. So, this is what it is. And I just took the wrapper off. You can see the paper. So we're gonna see. Whew. Whew.
Almost like that.
Whew.
Eyes watering already. Look at.
Whew.
You gonna be alright? You gonna make it?
This shit get the hiccups immediately. Oh my God.
He got the hiccups.
Hell yeah. Whew. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh goddamn. That hit right there. Whew. Oh man. Oh, lips.
Lips.
Oh man. Whew.
Sweating.
All I did, I had a fingertip full. A pinky finger.
And only one side of the pinky, not even the whole, all the way around the pinky. Just that right there. Yeah. Yeah.
How many Scoville's is this?
Can you see?
I can see it's small. Warning, this sauce is extremely hot. Keep all the children. Consume one drop at a time. We started with hot habanero peppers and blended them with smoky chipotle peppers and natural peppers, natural pepper extract to create the sauce that was lab tested. 135,600 Scoville. 135,000. Hot damn. Whew. That's it. It's hot. It's definitely hot. How hot is the Pacquiao chip? The Pocky chip?
I don't know. This nigga said Pacquiao.
This hotter than that chip. It's gotta be. Let me see.